and today we have WSKEN iPhone 15 screen protector. And it comes with this case where you insert your phone in, you lift it up. It comes with an extra screen protector, and then it already has the first screen protector installed, so it's ready to go. It also comes with some stickers. It comes with the bubble remover, just in case if there are bubbles in the middle. It's a little thank you card, and then it comes with installation tools where it has wipes, the dust remover, and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to install it. So the first step, we're gonna grab the wet wipe, and then we're just gonna wipe it down. You're gonna clean it. And then second is going to be the cloth. Make sure that there's no moisture left on. Then we're gonna grab a dust absorber, and we're just gonna go around the phone, make sure there's no dust on it. And then once we do that, slide it in here. And then next step is all you do is you close the tray and you pull the film out. So once you remove that, you slide this and it smooths it out for you. And then now you peel. After we peeled it off, the screen protector's on, and now we gotta just work our way and take these bubbles out.
The entire process took about under 10 minutes, and at the end, it looks very good, no bubbles. I was able to put my cover back, and it works very well. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.